Jungle.
And also undergone changes. So world over, the name of the cost and management was the cost and works were dropped, and so that is how we members are known as CMS, cost and management accountants. Unfortunately, in some or other government has not agreed with us that we shall be known as management accountants or cost and management accountant. We are requesting government repeatedly, and we are sure that this will happen. And towards this, our head office was, because if you look at it, I gave you the background. When we became freedom was received by India. Maximum industrialization was at Calcutta. So all the company and the act, our head office was at Calcutta. Because we are going near to the regulators, and we will be example. You see, you look at it, any country or any organization, growth and the stability, sustainability is, is on, always hinges on the vision of the top person, who may be always one. Company chairman, partnership, senior partner, company, and like that, even prime minister or Rashtrapati, correct, where the federal structure is there, depending upon the structure. And in our case also, we had a visionary prime minister when we became free. We got the freedom. It was in the form of Jawaharlal Nehru. He had a vision to rockets, pin to rocket. This was his vision, and we are producing small needle pins to rockets. But that vision was perhaps little bit defective. I mean, I am using bad word with due respect even given to Jawaharlal ji, that he had missed in defining the objective. We shall produce, we shall produce from pin to rockets at the optimized cost. That was missing. The cost element was missing. And now look at it. At the same period, many countries were made free by UK, Israel, Japan, all our neighbors, correct? And look at their growth. Particularly, if I don't want to refer all countries separately. Look at the Israel and Japan. Japan is topmost economy after USA, correct? German. So why? Because they looked at the cost. Because Japan rather evaded the US market in cars and all electronic goods and everything, because they were producing high quality products with the lowest cost. So the cost element should have been built, always should have been built in our vision. That was missing. And I'm happy to share with you that cost element is now there in our government's vision. So I am not favoring any government or particular person, but I am looking at the vision part, because this was evident when we reached to a moon. Our lander reached to a moon.
తగ్గించాలి. అక్కడ మా రోల్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందండి. బడ్జెట్ తయారు చేయడం, ఎస్టిమేట్ తయారు చేయడం, కంపేర్ చేయడం, వ్యత్యాసాలు కంపేర్ చేయడం, దాన్ని ఎలా తగ్గించారో దాని మార్గాలు అన్వేషించడం. ఈ విధంగా చాలామంది కాస్ట్ అకౌంటెంట్లు వాళ్ళ కంపెనీలో చేసే కంపెనీలో వాళ్ళ వృత్తి వ్యయాన్ని తగ్గించి, నియంత్రించి కంపెనీకి లాభాన్ని చేకూర్చారు. ఎప్పుడైతే లాభం కంపెనీకి చేకూరిందో, వ్యయం తగ్గిందో, అది ఆటోమేటిక్గా అలా మారి పెరిగి సంస్థకి, సంస్థ నుంచి రాష్ట్రానికి, అసలు దేశానికి వెళ్తుంది. రేపు రాబోయే వికసిత భారత్లో వ్యయాన్ని తగ్గించి, ఎందుకంటే ఆర్థికంగా పరిపుష్టి చేయాలంటే వ్యయాన్ని తగ్గించాలి, నియంత్రించాలి. ఈ ఉద్దేశంతో మా సంస్థ, మా ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు కూడా ప్రణాళిక రచించి ఆల్రెడీ మా ప్రపోజల్స్ని గవర్నమెంట్కి మేము సబ్మిట్ చేసాము. మేము అఫీషియల్గా మమ్మల్ని కాస్ట్ ఆడిటర్ అని చెప్పి అంటారు. కాస్ట్ ఆడిటర్ ప్రతి సంస్థకి, పెద్ద పెద్ద సంస్థకి రికార్డు రాయడము, వాటిని మెయింటైన్ చేయడము, వాటిని ఆడిట్ చేయడం, ఇది మా వృత్తి అన్నమాట. అందులో భాగంగా మేము దేశానికి ఎంతో సేవ చేస్తున్నాము. మీరు ప్రత్యేకించి ఏదైనా ప్రశ్నలు ఉంటే దయచేసి అడగాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను.
There are many ways to look at it. If I give my son, say 10,000 rupees per month, and I am not asking where did you spend, okay, then he will not be able to list out where did he spend. Correct. Okay. When I ask him, I'll be able to tell him that beta, dear son, you have made this mistake. Even without that also, if he is analyzing, he is writing, he will also understand, because see, everybody is intelligent, so we have to respect that part. But in absence of the records, it becomes really difficult. And I tell you, look at the current the macroeconomy. We are likely to reach third in the world in terms of GDP growth. Correct, very soon. But
2047కి వికసిత భారత్ లక్ష్యం చేరుకోవడానికి కంకణం కట్టుకున్నారు. ఆర్థిక పరిపుష్టి పూర్తయినప్పుడే ఈ 2047 ఆర్థికంగా మన భారతదేశానికి వికసితకి మనం చేరుకుంటాం. అందులో భాగంగా వ్యయం నియంత్రణ తగ్గించడం ఒకటి 2 అబ్జెక్టివ్గా పెట్టుకుని మేము ముందుకు సాగుతున్నామండి. 2047కి వికసిత భారత్కి చేరడానికి మా సంస్థ అన్ని రకాలుగా రెడీగా ఉంది.
of the countries were freed by the then United Kingdom after the World War II in late 40s, and look at their progress. If we compare the progress of, I'm not referring to many countries, but if we compare with the India versus Japan, India versus Israel, then we will find that Israel and Japan have crossed this barrier of uh, developing their nation in a very big way in industry perspective. If you look at the fundamental reason that the cost of their products were properly managed, I would say they could optimize their resources and cost, and based on that, this happened. In our country, we have developed from pin to rockets. We reached, definitely development was there, but we missed somewhere the crux of our development, that it should have come at the lowest cost or optimized cost was missing, and we were lagging behind the Japan and Israel and other countries. But now, when we are dreaming for the Viksit Bharat, the number one in the world by 2047, then this is an opportunity that we shall not miss. The optimization of cost and management of our resources in our vision documents. And I am sure with this, keeping this in mind, our country and will galore with the efforts of everybody, and particularly our support for cost management. Thank you.